Oh, hello guys. I didn't see you there. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ishi's World of Fun. Today, we're gonna open an LL surprise. But first, I'm gonna give a shout out to Ninong, Cesar, and Lolo George. So, subscribe if you want a shout out. So, this LL ball looks pretty. And it says, unbox me. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 surprise. And there's the secret message, some stickers, and a bottle, and shoes, and clothes, and a scooter that's different. Sunglasses and headband in the door. So, and it says, add water for another surprise. Let's continue this LOL surprise unbox me. Okay, so let's pull the the zipper over here. Over here, it says pull here. Can't open this thing. Open, mommy, please. Thank you. And if if you come to my birthday, you remember this, right? It's from my birthday, My Little Pony 7th birthday. So here it is. And then, now here's the ball. So every time we wait for mommy, I'm just gonna say some about my book. Ooh, 2-layer surprise. That's amazing. So we have that same message again. And then here's the final. It's up. It's a beautiful ball. It's a beautiful ball. It's a beautiful ball. Mommy's gonna open it, and then I'm gonna show you the inside a second. So we have Pinkie Pie. I haven't completed yet. And then the Pony Crew. The My Little Pony Crew. And we also transformed to My Little Pony. And here is another one. And here's the back. And
read it. You read it.
Okay, it says, I enjoy the cake and the presents too, but the very best part was seeing you. Thank you for coming. My 7th birthday so magical. Love, Ishi. So here it is. And then, oh, here's it. Oh, so itchy.
Show it.
I opened it, guys. Oh.
Show it. Okay.
So if you want a shout out, just click that thumbs up button and subscribe. Woo! Plop. Here's the stand. And then let's crack it. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Ooh, not too bad. Not too bad, guys. You need to build it. Oh, I like her hair. It's so pink. It's kind of dark pink. And I like her outfit. But I'm gonna open that later. And we have some stickers. Pretty good because if you want to see my, what's that called again, mommy? Oh, my new house, just, subscribe to subscribe to Ishi's World of Fun, okay? So we have a chain and the ball too, of course. Okay. So I'm gonna build the doll first. It really has some glasses because it told me it has some sunglasses. Some glasses. So here's her body. It's very pretty body. And her bottle, our baby bottle. And there's some measuring on the back. And I like it because it has a heart. And here's a bag. Yes, I needed a bag for my new home. Well, I think it just pretend opened. But it really opened. Okay, here's the bag. I kind of I like the bag in real life because it's so pretty. And then the Barbie, the head. It's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. I like her hair because it's kind of like a seashell. And guys, so if you leave a comment down below. So if you think it's pretty. And last but not least, the glasses. My doll never have a glasses. Now she has one. Now I can put it in my other LOLs. Yay! And the last but not least, her clothes. It's so pretty. Wait, let me fix it first. I like her clothes. It reminds me of Queen Bee's clothes because remember in in the surprise, it's kind of looked like this. I don't know if it was Queen Bee or another person. So Mommy's gonna build it. And it says add water for another surprise. What's that? But I'm gonna do that for another episode, guys. So subscribe, double subscribe it.
Shoes. Shoes.
Oh, fuck. They don't put shoes. They didn't